one more. It's a little lamb. It's a lamb. You gonna dance with them? Yeah? Oh yay, I love my animals.
Daddy, she likes the animals. Mommy, put them in the washing machine. What kind of animals you got, Charity?
Thank you.
What are those? What'd you get?
Thank you.
Good girl. Let me see, which one's the bear?
Show Mommy the bear.
Which one's the bear? That's a skunk. He's a stinky. Oh! You never got to the bear. Who cares, Mom? I gotta hold them all. That's a giraffe.
What's the matter? There's bear.
Oh, I can't hold them all, Grandma. You got them all? That's all of them. Good job. Oh, man.
Skunk.
You can put them in the stroller, Charity, and then you could carry all of them. Where's the baby stroller?
Charity, over there. Look. Charity. See your stroller? Over there. And put them all in the stroller. Push them.
There you go. That's a good idea.
There you go. One more.
Yay! All your animals. Hey!
Why are you getting so angry? Put them in the stroller, baby. Look. Here. It's okay. Don't cry. Here. Look. One.
I don't think that's what she wanted.
I don't think so either. Okay, fine. I'm out of here. Alright, bye.
Charity, you sleepy? You ready, night-night? Boo. Okay, I have an idea. Why don't you take the stuff out of the shopping cart and then all the animals will fit? Mommy will fix the baby stroller when you're done, okay? Mama gonna take them away, you be nasty. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, I really turned it on so you could catch her happy singing, dancing display with the animals, but instead you caught the bad attitude. She's trying to tell us something that obviously is not very clear. I don't know, sugar.